Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, today I have a Dollar Tree haul for you. I found so many new items and I'm really excited about it. So let's hop on into it. And I have my little sidekick. She has a bone, not a real one, but one that she chews, and she's having a blast. Okay, so let me show you this. I found this. One of you told me that they had the buffalo check and I hadn't seen it before. Well, I was able to find it, and it says give thanks. I love these little pillows with a really pretty pumpkin on there with that gorgeous buffalo check, and then the back looks like burlap, but it's very smooth. Okay, then look at this. They have these. I kind of think I saw these last year. I'm not 100% sure, but I think I did. Let me know in the description box if they were there last year. But I love the little red truck that says fall right here on the license plates and hello there. And those filled with those beautiful pumpkins and leaves. You could fix little cookies and put in this. I think this is a wonderful find for $1, okay? Then look, now I didn't get all of them because I bought some last year, but they have their little tumblers out again. And this says gather. Look at that with those really pretty, it's kind of hard to see, they're gold pumpkins right there. And down there, they're just kind of sporadically put on there. And then those leaves. I love this. This is so pretty. It's like a lightish orange. Not real orange, but it has an orange tint to it. And then it opens like that. Love these. Okay, so I picked up that one. And then I got this green one that says, favorite color is autumn. Look how pretty that is. And it has the gold leaves. It's so hard to see because the ring light is so bright. And then the leaves are just sporadically around there too. And I love the font that autumn is written in. And I like that there's two different fonts. I think that's really pretty. Opens up at the top just like the other one. Large, okay? Then I saw these, okay? This says autumn leaves and pumpkins please, and it's on this little plastic glass. So festive. I know it's almost impossible to see, okay? And then this one says happy fall, and look at the little leaf. So beautiful. Maybe if I put that behind it, you would be able to see it. Love these, okay? Since I had this up anyway, I found this big palette, and I thought it was nice. It's a tear-off palette, and you won't have, at least I won't have to use paper plates or anything like that. You can just put it on here, tear it off. I thought this was a wonderful idea. You get 15 sheets, all right? Then I found this actually matches this almost exactly. This is one of their little rub-on transfers, and it just says happy fall with those leaves. And you can see, it's hard to see, but they really are a really close match. Then this one says grateful, thankful, blessed with that little pumpkin there. Then I saw these little LED luminary lights, and they look like they're little owls. It's really hard to see, so I wanted to take them out of the little box for you. But they're little owls. I think those would be so cute all lit up. And you get 10 in there. Love those. And then these are, I think these are the pumpkins. Yes. Okay. These are the little pumpkins. They've had these before. Hope you can see that. I really should put some batteries in this and let you all see what they look like. I think that would be cute. Next time I'll remember to do that, okay? Then I saw this right here, I thought these were so cute. Look at that. It looks like a pumpkin that's kind of silly. Look at that face. It's so cute. And then it has this, and then the top comes off like that. But I think that's really cute. Adorable. And then they had Frankenstein as well. Is that not cute for Halloween? These would make great gifts to give out at Halloween to people that you know if you're going to do that. I think they're cute. Okay. Then I saw this little camera, and you put a photo in there, and they had different kinds. They had chevron designs and different things like that, different colors. They had pink and they had blue, but I got this purple one with the white polka dots. So cute. And then I saw this earphone case, and it's a little panda. I thought that was really precious, so I picked that up. And it says that it fits most wireless earphones. And it has a little snap on there. Okay, then I found some more stuff for our candy taste test for backdrops. They have this creepy cloth. I don't want to make it real scary, but I'm just trying to make it cute, you know. So that's what that looks like. You can do so much with that. And then they had the creepy cloth in black, so I decided I would pick that up as well. We always just have a fun, cute candy taste test, all right? Then I got some Whoppers for our candy taste test. I don't think we've tried these before, and I don't think I'm gonna like them, but I bought them. And then I found tons of stickers, okay? Oh, Crafter Square is killing me. This is all about faith. Look at that. Faith can move mountains. Faith, it does not make things easy, but it makes things possible. Just look at all that. I'll let you read it. With those little hearts and the butterflies. So gorgeous. Love this for $1. And then look at this. Look at these cute, fun stickers. What a planner spread. It's all about sweets. And as you all know, I shouldn't be, but I eat quite a few. But look at the little pig with a donut around his neck. Make it wonderful. The little cupcake. The panda in the ice cream cone. The little cat in the ice cream cone. And the penguin. So cute. And it says normal is boring. With the cherries, okay? Then, if you love cats, I've seen this in there before. But I went ahead and picked this up. I thought that would make such a cute little spread. I love it. And then some more cats, but they're really cute. Look at that. That one looks all playful. That one's adorable. Look at that with the yarn. Sleeping, meow. That one's really pretty too. And then the fish. Love these. Okay, and then these are all heart little stickers. I thought they were adorable for Valentine's or any time you just want to make something really cute. Shine, love, kiss me. So adorable, and I love that one. Okay, then this is all about Stay Wild, girl power, all things like that. I thought that would make a very festive, and I love the donut, a very festive spread. Then this is near and dear to my heart, okay? This is all about popcorn. I love popcorn. Look at that. The luggage and the sunglasses. Don't care. The perfume, like the Daisy perfume, and the lips, and then all that wonderful popcorn. That would make such an adorable spread. And then I found some more of these. I just love them. It's religious as well. Always pray and never give up. We love because he first loved us. And it has the verse. I'll just let you read them. But aren't those beautiful? You could put those on candles. You could do anything to those. Love those. So pretty. This one says, she is strong, pray continually, let your light shine. It's religious too. I thought that was I hadn't seen anything like that at the Dollar Tree before, and I loved it. And I like how they're just really flat and almost looks like they're handwritten. And then this is the last one, and it's really cute. And it just has all kinds of happy, positive vibes on it. Imagine, cheers, be happy, enjoy, be kind. I just love this. And it also has the little butterflies. And I like the different fonts that's on there, okay? So that's everything for this Dollar Tree haul. And my partner in crime is right here. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out on YouTube. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and become a member of our family. And if you subscribe, hit that notification bell and set it to all so you won't miss an upload. So I will see you Friday. Well, actually, you're getting 2 videos today. You're getting this Dollar Tree haul and then a planner using Dollar Tree stickers and usually washi. I haven't filmed it yet, so I'm not sure what it's going to be, what kind of washi I'll use. And then Friday, I'm pretty sure we're going to start, we're going to pick back up on our fall DIYs. I'm really excited to do this. So, well, here is the baby, and she wanted to say hi. She says, hello. Say, I love you. Yes, So I do. She is so adorable. She loves to sit up there and me film here because now she can keep up with Mama. You can keep up with your Mama now? You know what Mama's doing? Oh, you smell my lip gloss? She loves this lip gloss. It's funny. Every time I wear it, she tries to smell it. It's so funny. So, until next time, bye guys. Say bye. Say bye-bye.